Sources of ingredients. Poultry. Hey friends, do you know where do we get the ingredients for preparing different food items? Well, there are various plant and animal sources of food. Some food ingredients are obtained from plants and some, like milk, eggs, chicken, prawns, fish, pork and such others come from animal sources. Have you ever heard of poultry? Well, poultry is a place where birds are reared by humans for eggs and then killed for their flesh. So we get some of the ingredients like eggs and meat of birds from the poultry. However, it must be noted that humans do not consume meat and eggs of all the birds. Birds like hen, duck, and turkey are consumed for their meat. Hens and ducks' eggs are most commonly used as food.